welcome to my channel again. I know I was out of the channel for a long time. Right now I will do this video in English because we have a lot of people here who subscribe and who talk English. And because of that I will do this video and some of the next videos in English. I hope you enjoy, and the next stop will be Curitiba. I was in Curitiba with my family, and I hope you enjoy this couple of videos about this city. And the first video about Curitiba will be the train that we can take from Curitiba to Morretes, and this train is really amazing, where you can see a lot of the Atlantic forest about this natural view, and you can enjoy the view and the places and the history about this train. The economy class, you have like some lunch with like cookies and something like that, and you have like some Coke or like water or whatever you want. You can buy and the trip is really amazing because you took the train in the train station in Curitiba, and you will start the trip in this train like 8:30, and you go to Morretes. This city is really small, but it's really good place. It's really hot. We went in winter in Brazil, and what I can say is like it's a small town. They have a little fair that you can buy artisan things, and also you can see cachaça and drink the cachaça. Is like some drinks that you can buy in there to try. Is really strong, but you can do a caipirinha with that. It's really good. And also you can have a really good kind of food there. And for me, I'm vegetarian. I found a really good restaurant where I can find vegetarian things to eat. They did a really amazing omelette. They did a really good beans and rice. If you eat meat, you need to try the barreado. It's a typical food from them, and it's really good because comes with some kind of seafood and also meat, and is a mix of that. And also I will put at the comments all the things, and also I will put the place that we went to eat, and we really enjoy. They have a fresh fruit juice that you can choose, like a passion fruit or orange juice or wherever you want. They do fresh, and it's really good place. And after that, after our lunch, we went to a artisan gelateria to eat a gelato. The gelato was amazing. The guy there was really kind, and also I will put at the comments that this amazing gelateria. Okay, this is the video for today. I hope you enjoy a lot. It was a couple of tips that you can use when you go to Morretes or to took this train, and it's amazing trip. I really recommend if you go there. And also next video will be about the Curitiba city, and I hope you will enjoy the next video and this video too.